Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura bacheko ya mandege uzito somya bamura bacheko ya mandege Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura bacheko ya mandege uzito somya bamura bacheko ya mandege.
Karibu sana ndio mwancho muregereria ekirogendete gutigara imeyo murubiriga wetwani iya gitembe nakonya nakumanyire chinse chibono ne chinga kichiapene chokorigereria amangana yechisemi anene muno amangana yechikozi echi chamaboko gose chisukuru chiri chobobundi kera tokorigereria esukuru enene ya Kisii National Polytechnic aigase omucho busongo gose eyu yachire nkuma korwa ase eliroba ria Gusii na boigo ntobwate bono omo registrar Madam Frida korwa nyakerario korwa esukuru eyo na boigo no yotenendete amangana recognition of prior learning Mr. Danvas Osogo korwa ase esukuru eyo banyare gutwarira buna esukuru eyo gokoria na inde ningi kegendrete ase esukuru eyo ase obwango nigo ngobarigania mwakire we
mwakire bia
mbia more ngaki esukuru ere esukuru mwaeteire
esukuru twaetera mambia twayetigire kere bia we are hoping that we are going back na ntenyore kere bia
mbia muno sana ngochaka na Mr. Danvas tebyo mwancho murigereria tari abona bwigoni kiokora ase esukuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic.
Asante Samaria Tankoro ku Danvas Osogo ndo muorokia se department ya applied sciences boigon tenerete department ya korokunga recognition of prior learning as a polytechnic.
A department ya recognition of prior learning.
Recognition of prior learning ne ringa abantu mbale abugate skill ama ete acheto sina somonto geta kamorokie akamorokio sino obosoni kamorokio sino kwagacha chinyomba lakini tabu atitanya kwenda college yasome aiwe certificate ono monto buno yiga okonyona abwate skill abande they are very good masoners very good carpenters lakini bagwate certificate so abantu bunabu agocha twamokorera assessment tokonyoranga skill in committee the required standards twamoe certificate emokonye konyora chigasi emokonye konyora no ikitenda na bintu bindera mokonye iskogaiga. Yes.
Mbia muno sana ese Madam Frida na registrar eskurere. Introduce yourself na ndo kwa ninki otenerete usininki kwa gukora eskurere as a registrar.
Mbia muno mwancho mutegereri na aba muri studio mbia muno soko ngari bageri na inche Samaria Frida na ndinya kirario omweri is my surname engineer registrar ya Kisii National Polytechnic negasi ya registrar entangani no ko make sure buna chikosi chirororo chi meet standards chiko ba advertised egere chirenta abana after na akorire marketing ye chikosi che school na irana na admit abana aba nje ko make sure buna abana basoire school chi department to bwato 11 kere department yanyorira abana bali ba meet standards choko so chi department yechi other than that I'm part of management intubwate management team na ondo yomobo toko make other things ko make other plans for the college nkigego koruga amasomo nagenderete nakora monitoring amatemu akoriru na and ala finally bona abana abanande ninje ngo make sure banyori certificate chiabo igongo make sure mwana osoire school osomire nande na make sure na onyori certificate yayi go through the life of omwana school na onde nere wansere buna nkomubeka nande paka buna nkomosoki guchia se market isko gaiga anyore ikia kunyakuri konyora nere kia yanyora mugati oyugwa kirariti kokorwo ya
Iskuru yawe korekana yachire nkuma nande bono nigo eko twara aboroki okurwa se chinsemo oimense ya Kenya. What is so special ose ningi kirio kurigerere gwate banga amaine skuru yaito nengia
Eskuru yaito echete nkuma sengencho yebinte bingi litangani kabisa ne sukuru ebwata abana abange bonsi gwetani Kenya chiskuru to bati National Polytechnic population wise into abange pi to bwata abana 10,000 bonde ka bwata abana 15,100 na 44 abuna abana abange sana egento yako make to aba more marketable than others litanga ni gusina asa abantu batagete gocha environment tole nengiya alafu ya kabere esukuru ne bwate chikosi chinyinge sana to bwate 11 different departments chibwate 116 courses, a total of 116 courses igo meaning nanto bwate variety na boko nyoro umwana ikosi atagete na eri ya kabere eri ya gatatu yani ne skuru egokori biyase ko curricula na ande tubwate enough materials tubwate enough equipment ekero kurigereri partners tubwate ko rumumbu na bono tubwate Canadian partners ba torrente iri machine chingiya ase department ya building and civil engineering tubwate mechanical and automotive engineering also tubwate chi sponsor chigotoa equipment every now and again alafu eri ya gatatu abarimu baito nkome tori sure ango nyako babare capacity build every time nabo tokorangeria abarimu baenda bari batoroche buno yora asomiria amatuko technology ya change management nere kin ko capacity build ya abarimu yeah
mbe mona sana wate vile ne wate chikozi chinyinge usechi department chinyinge sana noranyara gukwana egati ye chikozi echo chirase eskuru yao
yes chinyinge tuganda ngera chi department tubwate chi department ikomi nemo echi engineering into bwate electrical and electronic engineering ekosomia mangane ye stima asi chi level chons wansera higher diploma diploma certificate na artisan tukuruka level 4 diploma yaruku level 6 certificate yaruku level 5 so origereria agu we cut across ngoso mitore amangane yestima chi level chons neba no mwana obwate D- na bakonyora asa goswa a second linto bwate automotive engineering tobwate ekoruku mechanical and automotive engineering in department yende ekosomi amangana ya engineering ye factory na ande bado yaso engineering ye chigari obo makanika na baro level chiruna na teba na bochire go chons and then ntobwate building and civil engineering ebwate chikosi chinyinge na chiro chiwansira building oiche civil engineering na ochire ime o manya go trimbo ko chiabo quantity survey na ochire na plumbing yere currently very marketable because nebwate abantu ko chingumbu patagete abantu chi plumber buna currently munyore ntwa recruit abantu bakaenda Dubai through our college tobwate applied science togatwara health sciences koso mitora mangana amange chikosi cha health buna totebe community health medical lab echichonsi pharmacy nchirororo alafu ko chechaba applied science ingo chinyinge chire ingo mention a few because of time ntobwate chaba applied science chikosomya mangana food science umwana bako enda kore gasi factory endagera na ne bintu binde binge akore lab ye school ntobwate liberal studies ntobwate ekosomye bintu bina chaba social work and community development counseling psychology bunenserero yabeire nkomwa abantu babwate amatatiza mental health you know we train such alafu ntobwate business studies ego train abantu ba front office and others and then ntobwate chikosi buna hospitality and tourism nere bwate mangana mange yo borugi yogo sibichi nyomba bujya korosi chirumu chi hoteli gocha tukatwara fashion and cosmetology obosoni bwe chianga tugacha mangana ya beauty na ariga unero tukorga cosmetology so chikosi nechi nyinge buna nabatebi ichira total of 116 goto ko borugento mwana wako somera na level te ko boru esengencho na batebi tugate level wansera higher diploma to level 4 artisan Ndiamono.
Ati sanere nsepi.
Nero level 4 ase the regular training. Lakini tobwate other courses mnechio mwalimu akwanire cha RPL. RPL yaro no muntu tikirite standard 5. Goicha chire gali osomi gusi no bosoni bwechianga. Na maite gosona. Agocha tomokonye anyore certificate nere konye.
Mbuya mono sana togocha ase Mr. Danvers nyara ko gari yango ase amangana yega RPL nandi ninki kya kirete mukai kitambo kirike gyo kone kinga amasomo gose okwana na certificate gocha sabantaba no kwengenjo.
Ante nambe yemo, it's a government initiative because you are a government institution, you need project government, and boniga nora weanga chigas our government yago ile chigas nyinge maiko to akoenda Saudi Arabia, baenda Dubai, baenda even Britain, America. Because of that, serikali ikarealize abantu mbale babugate skill. Lakini tabugate certificate ya korokinga na bugate skill yega. Na bande kwanyo na bantaba nene omugako monene ole miaka 40 miaka 50 ntaira chigo ikaranse kerasi na bana bande because already eki bagocha gosome school ere na kebugate skill ande kero kende kwanyo muntu oyo no enge songo tamanyeti lakini yanga akogosonera buya kabisa nyumba na wao kwagakire korofa ekagere serikali ikalete project ye RPL. So RPL teri project ya Kisii National Polytechnic. It's a government project rolled out by all national polytechnics. Then ekere abanta baigatu aba identified they come intoli ko baira kirasi ko basomi igago chato mu access skill yae skill yeto como access na bora nyono monto sene mason lakini there is a skill gap abugate ase mason ali maybe na maite kwa gache nyomba lakini roofing tamanyeti yuto konyoroka nge skill gap tua moe optioninga either also ekeras toko somi skill yega kusoge ende anywhere no ena saba fundi bande bagosomi skill ke ko jakoba oje to korera assessment so abantu nau bagocha tua ba admit baba students lakini mbali ko so class tua kora what we call pre-assessment korore level ye skill ya nganga kiegete tua maya komoa mutienyo yo mogose bera ende kuebanga achache gukora assessment ekera tua mokoreira assessment ne ria bande tokoro kama tem mostly amatem toko mokoria na ye skill ntori ko mokori muna monto renge class skill ya etoko ligereri ngaki ase masonari eri togo somia umwanafunzi atakere komanyeke neke oyo nake manyete tokonyoranga nake maete tomoe a certificate either ya level 3 level 4 level 5 or level 6 depending on the level yes skill ya kiana bo montara boring aquí what criteria do I use to determining a level 3 ngoko a level 4 mason naro maete skill gete naro mubuetake so we give according to that skill
ngorigereria more ese ekerengo kya masomo
kerengo kia masomo nturi kurigereria that's why koro kunga recognition of prior learning mna mukubona tebagaiga na bakonyo monta atigirete klasi sana lakini okoriro obufundio for many years bono monto yo iga ntuntori kurigereria masomo aya kerago apply ago cha pre-assessment no goikaransa no mwalimu ori ogosomie course yaye mwalimu oyamo interrogating kia manyete nkia tamanyeti korwabo mwalimu oyatu advising a level kitoko mobeka na ndinki atakere go submit as part of the assessment omonto okora go sen welding abako enda akeno ene chibicha go siki video ebinto biria rosiri biche form part of the assessment korwabo tomae como subject to assessment akora matem kago eta tomo certificate ataete tistir tomo opportunity nga ekwagwa sengenjo tama eteke neke kakio somi ko seso e class ya Kisii National Polytechnic to somi o maye ko ready for exams
mbe muno sana gisabuno moroberi yo chagete na kimwaro ri gusama tokyo na kyabiri abantu obachire chinamba chire naki.
We have wonderful testimonies, especially from other institutions, but for Kisii National Polytechnic Mbono to admit our first clients, we call them candidates, and we are assessing them in March. Talk about assessing, now they'll be given certificates. But yeah, we have wonderful testimonies college kia chagete mapema. Abantu bairuchi certificate na ndiki abakonyire banyorire kigazi. No mantenge gazi mne ya serikali tokonya utabwa certificate. Tokoenda Dubai ngane plumber, lakini we have nothing to show for that. They're recognized. And because it's a government project, we work closely, we are monitored by the government, so that the certificate that we give you is recognized by KNQA, Kenya National Qualifications Authority. So that Ninkoe certificate ya Kisii National Polytechnic, which could years Nairobi, that certificate is recognized. Nearly a neck, recognized in any part of the world. You can go to Britain, it's recognized. Yes.
Muyamana sana as Madam Frida. Ekira okurigereria wizara y'ikisenge bono yaigwire portal. Ninki moganete gose ninki mwarorire mo expected kurwa as abaibori nonye abantu bonsi gose community buna kene
Biyamono, actually that's a very key element of admissions. Biyamono serikali nje igore portal na andi gotebia the common mwananchi out there portal ngo siekwere tarehe 14 tarehe 14 yomutinyi oyo igo tugata tuko kianda abaibori bakonya abana babo bakore application through CUPS. CUPS nero yetokuruka Kenya Central Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Services igasiyaye noko make sure abana basoire ki school lakini bona abaibori isko gagento nko ba advice tigabagende kisaiba as application yago koru goso mwana akore kurwe simi yaya asbali bakonyara nagose oyo gosinyupi Kisii National Polytechnic Registry Office na bagocha otomokonya gukora application application yeye mara mange okonyoro muibori na rotagete gochorera omwana ekos umanya goikaga ari skuru ekosie ya musinya after time ya monge agotaka guchenjira ndi guchiangao so advice inko baas they do applications tigaba abana babori baga omwana achore gento kire in her heart or his heart passion yo omwana na qualification abande baba bekere chikos omwana atari even qualified sengencho CUPS teri korigererina ekorigerie aggregate grade nere general grade totena kyumwana anyorite C+ bamubeka gose pharmacy nero muiburi amochorera eritaracha gose Kisii National Polytechnic yamanya na ki ekosi yeye nebwate amachikande nande nebwate bodies chinde chiko regulate tokoro kwa regulatory bodies chigo determine grades for particular subjects kuna biology, maths na English. So egentongo saba abaibori tigabachangamuke amatuka atarasieku nande kerota gete for example college yurota gete umwana wagende nero gutangani tigagutigero omonto gwesa ibana kimbekere umwana uyinta etaende school na bakubeka omwana gwatikonyana ki umwana nkitwa na chiete Meru umwana yakulira Meru ngare tinkonyara kuira mwana transport na nini na sago chikomenya so tigabai chibali banyerocho namba akonyara pi wekonya nabo bagocha tubakonya the gates are open nabo mondago sabali bagakuru gitata ba registering chigokora admission lakini gago ikwantene ki nkorera application tubago konya
mbe mona sana kiro kurigerera umubaro ubabaruki wa mwanyara gutwara goseko admit ngaki iaeta na bono iga ngakiro chechi namba ichirachi comment kana gose na kiro chechi namba ichirachi gocha
chinamba nchigendete comment kana asinginche school yaito na abana na abange bagocha wegento bono kire unique kiango ki this time abana no yamba liba chi grade chi university abange sana tu admit una chaba pharmacy civil engineering na bakonyora umwana utagete boronga otene nja ase skill yere na ontagete tindigo chigokora bwari tindigo chigokora gose ne environmental science I need to do engineering. So abana ba comment bangendereire commenta ase ngencho ntori ko kani mwana no tware B+ yao na botoko go admit ase course yotagete because we are empowering the youth out here egeranyo re certificate go chikomokonya na nkoro ile mtubune nkoro yaye ko motevina engineer ntagete koba na bago answer from diploma and they go up. So I'm expecting buna in September in May intake this year the numbers are likely to go up because they are sabona gabunango kwana tayari na admit iri abana 1114 buna narigiriri bono mambi abairira amabaga for May igo meaning bonsi bagocha na babana bakoba nande obuyamburi buna abande ngosoka bari bakonya gosoa abandi bako graduate. I'm also in charge of graduation by the way nje nkobanga chi graduation ceremony chi school so omwaka uyu ngenda tokobanga nkonya gosoka bari bagosoa the numbers are likely to go up. Yeah.
Ekira umugenderete wa admit abaroki wabaiga kero kurigira na amangana ali gusa Vision 2030 school ya Kisii National Polytechnic ero umaroroki mwatwarire.
Are we implementing Vision 2030?
Bono ekero kurigira nonye school eno uikanonye mwaka 2030 amaraino ngayera toke mwekire
ndoche buna rasma tutoke tora atambe yake because currently buna ndoche bintu bikogenda we are going to have more students most probably ese tuition block tuarenge kwaga chaga tugoronkorenge kormo gwetankoro muri goro bene eri element for ebirasi ne lab. The moment we have enough facility more facility we are going to have more students and then ntogenda to modernize origererie esukuru iche buna inyore kwache tokare bono iche nyone ne chikoni cha hospitality ntogenda tukobeka the modern equipment. That means we are advancing to meet the world standard so that abana to gochana out babe globally marketable umwana gagosoka nonye ngo chi isiko yense onyora ebintu bichi machine kiriako ewatumye na kiriatumye to kuruga na ndento ndate with partnerships kire very key to us ntubate Canadian partners through CICAN. They are really supportive ibagenda to konye with equipment and I know by 2030 we should be a globally recognized institution. Bono gantore regionally recognized ntubata abana ku Tanzania na Buganda na Zambia ngo ba admit tori
Mbiyamana sana. Mr. Danvas kwa tevanore umoro kiase ensemberi ya applied sciences.
Yes.
Ukurigere ya chi science chinyingi amatukamaega ose chi amatukamaega chi science ncharenge kurigererwa mono keroko so ase chi skuru chobo bundi. Ningi kwarore ose ningi kiagerere bono aboroki wabange bachakire gochora chikose chi.
Nchakira kwa boli about Vision 2030.
Yes.
Vision 2030 is about skills. And the skills, now we are moving from a point where we are teaching theories and we are training skills. Up to recently, actually we have the last cohort of students, but we have also moved on to CBET, competence-based establishment training, where we emphasize on the skill. And every other time we are reviewing our curriculum, ever relevant to the market. For example, onyo muntu na okorete mechanical engineering some years back, aka train we gari ya manual. Boni gachi gari tubwate na automatic. And we are moving from automatic, we are going to hybrid, we are going to electrical cars. So onyo muntu trained here maybe 10 years ago. If this person does not tap their skills, they may not be relevant tomorrow. So in line with the Vision 2030, we keep on adjusting, improving and reviewing our curriculums, looking at the market with the changing market trends. And then about science, science is a very key component in the realization of Vision 2030. That's why okonyoranga no any course registrar ukwana regulated by the boards, like pharmacy, like medical lab. They insisting on mwana okore course you must have a C plane in chemistry, in mathematics and English and the related subjects. Why? Because these are very key subjects that are relevant to that course. Kwanyoranga there are colleges you mwana araende anjero okora pharmacy lakini hata meet these qualifications. For us we don't do that because omwana oyo after akolire will not be registered by the board and hence may not be allowed to practice. For us we are not after money. We are after the products we are producing to the market. Are they going to practice? So sciences are very key. And I want to talk to the parents na bana bale school wanyu wetenga as you aspire to do well also lay more emphasis in science because the future is science. At times I get demoralized when you go to schools, even the schools around town, kwa nyore school yo wata bana 200 in form 4, but ya bana wakora physics ibale 20 boka. Because there is a fallacy. Vanga inilonga physics is hard. To me, there is no subject that is easy, there is no subject that is hard. Nevansi yari edwa wata history nganda isi, mwana tasometiga akogu.
Amaine.
Yeah.
Mr. Danvers,
Yes.
tukurigira asamangana yechi science, wase abali bakorere chikozi yechiga bachire isko.
Yes.
Na kimwanyo le feedback ere.
The feedback is good.
Bali baitira samoka ino.
Valiva eteira maokaito. They are like recently I was in Nairobi for 1 week in an institution called Semester, Center for Mathematics and Engineering, and I was encouraged to find that 2 of my students are working there, and I was given a very good reporting. They are doing very well, and after going through Kisii Polytechnic, they went to the University of Nairobi, Wakora Analytical Chem, and they are now researchers in that organization. So we are getting very good reports. Like in my department, we train science lab technicians. These are people who are very competent. Gakporu Kisii National Polytechnic, you have a diploma. You don't even need a chemistry teacher to arrange a practical for the students in high school. These are people who arrange, can take the students through the practicals, very competent. That has been a motivation behind what we are doing.
Yes. Ya mono sada Madam Frida.
Yeah.
Tukurigira ase egati ya bari babeire bako graduate koro ase skuru ya Kisii. Ekrokurie china mbana kichire.
Like the last graduation, na graduate ya bana 3,400, lakini kwenye waba accumulatory for 2 years. The numbers are good. Other than that, ntu akole tracer study, yoko bwati ya bana baito tu graduate from 2020, tu irete class ya 2021. Bali ba graduate 2021, ntu akole tracer study all over the country. We actually went out there. Tukaba trace asebare na kibago kora ne report ne error very positive. Of course a few cases nchiri komo chachire tokoroka chia utilaya, but trust you me, abana abange, especially ababako kora chi diploma ni certificate, with the right skills, we are getting good reports. Physically na atarite Kakamega, ngaeta several offices, ngasoa Viga, ngakora ucha Kisumu. For 3 days, I traced the number of students. Nkanyora asibari. Nkanyora mbia bago kora. That is encouraging. It means the skills bakonyora are relevant and they are utilizing them well out there asibari bago konye ense. Yeah.
Ekero kurigira eskuru yaino ya veire kego kina.
Yeah.
Matuka wango iga. Etari gotinena ningi gose esiri nereri muranyare goteba nande onyare gukwanira igati yebinto biri bigenderete gokorekana ase eskuru yo.
Eskuru yakinire continuously actually gesansoro le miaka oyo no yo 8 kurwa bana nanyorete 5,000 bonega nigweta stukore gotara ne 15,000 egente getanga ningo kora tole marketing outreach activities to be very active in Kisii County and the neighboring counties. Kwa stoko nyora bana koru Migori, Homa Bay, tuenda Chiabo, Transmara, Bomet, Kericho. So ngo ekora to outreach activities. Secondly, ekero abana baito bare out there as about chi graduates. Chi achire out there in the market, banyorere good skills. Buna bono medical courses chetu chiwata abana bange sana koru North Eastern. Tuanyore good ambassadors from students to a trainee. Bako andas bako legas buya amonto te banga igwa so meten Kisii National Polytechnic. So twanyora abana bandi bago cha koru North Eastern especially okumia kyo mwana rugari sapakaga na singe tubate good ambassadors out there na ndo tubate support ye government. The government has really supported us and we are very grateful. Also make sure we tubate facilities chire enough for the growing numbers. And thirdly and fourthly, I think that is the fourth point. In our catchment area, asetori, odigereri Kisii, na se population yere igoro. Na abagusimba nchete chisemi, and we thank them for that. So, we are getting a lot of support from within and without. Even abroad, chi partnership wechiga chiabo Canada, ndwate partnership na other countries out there. So they give us support that ensures that bono twanyodra abana abange on board.
Ekiro tukurigeria magendera nde buno bono igati ya magacha aria genderete ngai ngerengo kimwekeire bono.
Bono bune tuition block ere 95% complete. Buna bako tokuigora buna togokoro mutienyi oyo iga okonyora ya erire egere accommodate abana bari batwari birasi ebiya batwari kilabu chingiya no enase bari bagutimoka ikaro barure birasi go we are finishing na ndari yoka ndwat project chinde chira upcoming to make sure that we have state of the art facility chigokonya. The outlook also is important. I think mbiya tokororeka kurupara umuntu gagwetana bakana igeita keria school eri nengiya. That's a marketing strategy too that brings more students on board.
Ekiro mugendete ko nyora borki okurwa chinsemo ko bono ntugukona no nya sense ya Kenya yoka amangana accommodation na kimochi mwa deal naro. Accommodation into bwate chi hostel bari batete komenya ime lakini abana abange ibago prefer komenya isiko ese ngenje toro chi abande nkasoba bakoru abarakini aso muntu tageta accommodation na babare ngo batora accommodation and we take care of abana babwate physical challenges because ngo ba admit tori abumba bwate there are special places in the hostel omwana na so long as you have a physical challenge there is no day yara beta ba accommodated. We take care of them. Oyo tegete hostel na bagocha ntwate dean's office na bako buki umwana yamenye hostel paka kora masomo. Egoti hostel nchiroro chisaine.
Nchiro ne serikali ne ngotoroseriere chinde promiseti the president ya chete school yaito. The last time our president visited, we are grateful. He promised because twagachira chi hostel 5,000 capacity hostels and the process is on. Vachire for site visits, we identify where they are going to do them.
Amangana ko curricular activities kero kurigereria aba rukyo baino ko so abare ko sena ki omo baro ko so ase chigosori amangana ye chigosori ore ongana
mbuyamono abana na abange we have so many curricular activities ko curricular activities ntobwate drama ntobwate music ntobwate sports abana na abange bago participate paka tuachiri paka beyond nationals like last year tuagenda regional yarenge Buganda esengencho tuakorete biyase nationals tugatangana amangana drama na filming they were the best somba chete paka Buganda ne bitinto bugate bire enough tokosha even with neighboring institutions we allow them to come and use our facility in the spirit of good neighbors. Ntobugate abana bagocheza sports chia ina mbali athletics ntobugate we participate to nationals ntwanya go tigerwanga we normally go to the very top because we have enough numbers, you know, with enough numbers chi talent nechi nyinge and we try to utilize those talents properly so that abana banyora energy yokonya gukora ibintu bire bitariko bakonya. It's the best way of sublimating energy for the youth. Yeah.
Mbiamono sana tukorana as Mr. Danvers. Umwarimu kiro kurigereria abarokiwa abano gusukura sukuru eno babire bakogenda as institution chinde ko kurigereria mangana muna yo gukora chi practical gotema gukora kwerengani nechi sukuru chinde naki mwanyare gusena ki mwanyare amachibware.
Kwanza tebenga like in my department up to recently I was in charge of attachment. And attachment at times we assist the students konyola the places where they get attached to. So there are places who work simi tebenye kisi National Polytechnic kabache. But in total get another institution get. That motivates us seeing abana baito they are good ambassadors and they are doing good marketing out there because we normally talk to them to have a thing as you go, you are not going as an individual, you are going as Kisii National Polytechnic. So take care of our name take care of our good name so that your brothers and sisters bakurunse bache konyora a better name in the market. So that has also been an encouragement to us. And when you go to the industries where they work, I have a few organizations paka bako nga keresi bagontenga may to tueva oto abana for attachment because it means the students we have sent there before have a good name, and those are testimonies that I have also got from all the other departments that our students are top notch. Like electrical, somebody was telling me abana baitu ba electrical kera ko the year 1 you know monto ripe for the market or you na atigera abu na wako enda kore gasi competently as compared to students wako wa other institutions who have a degree. They have a lot of theory, but the hands-on skills they don't have. Yeah.
Ekero obakogenda attachment kotema muri kubarigeria ase bakogenda mirimo nabo igokera bono obakorire gusekera kuri gona abaiga aba sciences narora kero kende abana abaiga busaboroki wabaiga bakogenda competition na boroki okurwa chi institution chinde na kimwanya ore machibwari. They
always excel. They are competent. They are able to compete favorably. They are outshining even other institutions, especially those that we thought used to have big names. We are outshining them. So it's an encouragement when they go for such competitions. Like the latest interview we had of students going to Middle East. I was keen. Of all the students that were interviewed, about 70% who passed that interview were from Kisii National Polytechnic. And that was really encouraging. And I think those guys even promised next time they'll still come, because when they come, we host them there, then they're able to tap into our own clients. Yes.
Tukurigere chikose chiga cha science inchiri abaroki wabango konyara ngamba chiobwete na kimo konyara ko maintain omubaro obabaroki wabali bagokora na inde kwene kinga abange banyari guchita bana guchikora wikomo eryo.
Thank you. Number one is about attitude. I started by saying telling science ichire chinko, but there's a fallacy that was created and the people believed it. And these students, we get them from high school with that fear. A science, so as trainers, we try as much as possible to change that attitude, to change that perception. Science telling it's a subject that can be done just like another. The approach it also matters. The way the approach I give when I'm teaching them will determine whether they will like the subject or they will not like the subject. And we have an advantage that the government, through the support of the government, we have quite a number of trainers. So we have manageable classes. I take class here 40 students. These 40 students, I can afford to give them individual attention. Tenga, when I'm teaching 200 students. But when I'm teaching 40, it means I can give them individual attention, and they can even follow me out of class to show them something they never understood. With the time, waansire gochenchi attitude nga kumbe gente kenkiarenge kongu muna tebe tuko semna na kagirete. And that also goes to our parents. At times, the parents also help to form the mind of the child. So, na wako yomu ibori yangi au boete physics, wano mwana out yokore electrical engineering. Como tenga you don't know you never got the physics ajoranya tema ono mwana ocha kale prepared to fail, because no moibo lyo mote bring electrical engineering never got the physics na physics ne lienkong. So let us na my senior teba gaiganga to have an opportunity bachore chikos chiribatagete, and let us not form their mind negatively. Tigabache, we help them settle and help them change their attitude, and tell them how possible it is to do such courses. And one of the things I use in my class is history is very important. I show them this one came here and had a D+ like you. And he did certificate and excelled and proceeded to diploma. Like that, Kwanyoranga, through that, it encourages this student who has come with a deep lane, oh, kumbe I can also make it. If somebody came with a deep lane, akakora certificate yakakora, ekerakora certificate yakagendera diploma. Some even after diploma, they now go to university and they do degrees. Some of them find their way back to our institution as trainers. And we use such people. Like there are 2 trainers I normally use as living testimonies, telling these students, Inga, this one began from your level or even a lower level than where you are. And that encourages them. When you are talking to them, oh, kumbe, I can also make it. You find their faces have started brightening and you give them hope.
Mbia mono sana abo ase chi science na ndio kurigira kirokende course nere mwarigiri bono kuchikomenta and say applied sciences.
Yeah, because in the pipeline, like we have industrial chemistry, we don't have it, but we are hoping soon we'll bring it on board. We have applied statistics, that's also in mathematics. Godina manganaye sabu no metavanto because of those fallacies abantu mometinge sabu nenkongu, so that we train these people for the market because the future is science. So we are intending to bring more courses on board. Yes.
Madam Frida,
Yes.
To kurigirira aborokia bari obate gusia barimu chi lecturer chira stay school ri mbaita ine usinori geti comment abandi
abarimu bono currently mbaisaine aseng'enchwe serikali njato abarimu yatomento mutienyi ogwanzero mutienyi okianda mbato tumireta abarimu 70 in different departments. Nande ntogendrete donto bwata abande torigete be board bago fill in, but bunachi department chonya we expand, we will be needing more teachers, public service negende to torigeri more trainers, nkokortori request when need arises. Every time nkokortori request to the ministry, but as we wait for the ministry go to ichoreri gap, nkokortori advertisements twalika balimu be board ntubwata quite a number balimu be board ntubwata 120 na babe serikali mbaroro 332 gabu. So if you add all those trainers, those are enough. For now we have enough.
Uyu no mubarori igoro mono nende no koboria nga ekire kurigere chi program chino njira kimwachi vekire erinde abana baiga ba CBC bakurumagega e competition te chikobanga abana bakuru CBC bakuru nonye senior secondary school ebabwato bumanyiburi already abana bari bakorwa Kisii National Polytechnic okosekwanyaranga bonte bono barenganire umwana uri CBC kwanyaranga tabwati yeganga yogochana nde Kisii National Poly.
There is no way, even if we are also into curriculum ya CBC, na my partner here Kwana, my co-presenter Kwana, I mean, we increase in complexity. There is no way the to mwanta kolete primary or CBC, kego jugo keep the same. There is no way. I know a curriculum yoka never get in a way that the complexity increases as you go up. So no ambo neganto bwata abana abantu baroni competence based curriculum, and I know what we are doing is more complex because go and tore tuarigere linki bakoraga engineer educator na arabeire na asomiri abalimu, and then I am now there, so many times I do compare.
Mbuye mono sana ninki wono kiragere ose ninki kiragere bono muntu uri okorigereti asanere gocha ase skuru ya Kisii National Poly.
Ebinto ne bingo mwancho motegereri osomo the viewer umorigereria viragere omonto otake gocha Kisii Polytechnic ritangani nabatebi buna environment ya training ere very conducive nande togwa accommodate abana abange. Variety tokatana tuwata variety of courses mondo ta kosinyu genta gocha gokoro. Secondly, ntobwate chipati na isikoga chitagete tobaro traineria abantu bayande ko bakonya bune gasi ekori gumono iga na kitote na kitiga abana baiche na bago e course go plumbing ebwata attachment na abantu bari Canada so buna togokora go train we link you up with a potential employer and that goes a long way gokonyo mwana rika akobera isiko aiche achako rorekana muna no muntu no nyota achete skuru mbia so ntobwate we connect to employers, potential employers, environment inko era competitive advantage na bokonyana nare way ahead of others secondly public service nero all the time unko likera abantu paka ba diploma depending nga yosomete nande na bako likwa achiko somi a smaller technical college so many of our students by Iruna public service ba chire ba likiru the village polytechnics around and other small colleges and another way we have a potential of enabling young students to grow professionally because yoro chenyo to bwate chi level chonsi umuntu na bago changera artisan na rishwana ki unangu eta artisan ntobwate the next level ago soa that one is also a very good thing kobwande college ore o maite na kiga certificate yo kankonyora na ndo chikwangaika go kwenda kulia college ende takumanyiti senge njo tokumanyiti ne environment yekwaye nari orochete ko babyo montakine akore asoe diploma asoe certificate yani ga ku certificate asoe diploma akuru diploma akore higher diploma then you know you are very marketable yeah
and again maybe to add on that there is a program a very kwa horinga ngera gero montasa ne Kisi National Polytechnic. One of the things that I found very important in Kisi National Polytechnic, there is a program introduced called dual training. That is very key.
Like you get to go 50-50%.
Yes. One dual training go korore ki advert batanga thing no journalism yo kora. Then to apply you should have 2 years of experience.
Yes.
But kwa nyarango mwana oyo e college chiete tabugati experience. India gocha konyore experience amayo qualify konyore gasi. So what this program is all about, dual training, is where we work with industry. For example, if we are training a mason, are a class for 3 months, the next 3 months is in the industry. After 3 months
mbiyamana sana tio turarigiriria abaiga unabono Isaac Omweno omuzaya gote permanent korwa nyabitwana niko ndani watching live nabo are abo kigima nande naraiga gote ba mwalimu Elijah Ochenge agoteba korwa good morning korwa St Catherine Academy kioge nyakoe were represented na banda bange bari bagendete korika ujumbe chabo gote igase studio kuna abono Elio de Siriva, Samson Ongaga, Andrew Matunda na boigo ntubata baiga bachagete na into kigima Rogers Nyariki, Alex Mauti, Yobeshai, Kefa Nyaribo, Edwin Omwenga, Jeria Kerubo, Frederick Ogembo, Peter Omari, Pilipili Hoho, Lydia Nyaboke na banda bange. Mr. Danvers.
Yes.
Kwaringe okwandera engane yega ya dual training.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so dual training, why it was introduced, no when shuango mwana okora Kisi National Polytechnic as a skill just like somebody who has been in the field for 3-4 years. So that half of the time they are in class, half of the time they are in industry. And at times like the arts and courses, you will find they are more in industry than in class because these arts and people, we give them more skill than the theory. Yes. So ekera achiro soma 3 months, even te bia soma for 3 months, and in industry could be practice for 3 months. In the industry they can ask all the challenges that people in industry go through. Then they come back to class. When they come back to class, they ask their teacher ngaki ekeigana keroche ngaki okorwe ke understand it. So by the time these students are called 3 years, or you know monto who has experience like somebody who has been working for the last 3 years. So that thing of 3 years, even if the employer now wants experience ya 2 years, it's already covered because this student has been in industry for more than those 2 years. Yes.
Ekero mubwata abarokiwa somo barore igoro muno obwo mubwate ase evirasi na kimukonyara kwene ekero kuri na bono 15,000 students abana banke sana. Ekero obaikire nga miyake yega usemetie nyigete niko bwente ko bekirasi egende bagende mirimo nga kimuko barigerie ase bagosoa asa matuka yega buna bara abangega.
We have MOUs with the industries, and mostly we take advantage of the industries around because to save the cost ya mwana go travel. It's easier como attach industry ile Kisii kwa kumuira Mombasa because of the costs involved. So we have MOUs and we are still venturing more into more industries. We do MOUs with them. Pia inatusaidia kwanyoranga lilia bande bale industry sama in class lilia wako ende industry wali bairanire so we can have as many students benefiting as possible.
And to add on that, tali bonsi people on dual.
Yeah.
Tali course John's speaking on dual training. Abande mbaro bara on the regular attachment. Yora akore kurusa ino na bogo manyana kibono next time na attachment inde. Ogendo go Garissa National Hospital nyorekero osaba attachment yobero umwalimu watum achakora na kiogenda ko make a follow up. So on board we are onboarding dual slowly. Tali ndo nambonsi pitu abege on dual.
Yes.
Yeah. And then I believe, as he says, chemo you talk about only with industries in Kisii. Eko bugati industry buna bona abana ba agriculture duate MOU na Egerton University na Njoro Canning Canas bare along Egerton and another one in Nakuru. So na muki abana ba ino bune block mobile because you have that MOU existing, we will co-train these people because the industry is a co-trainer. Yeah, as we train the theory, for example, they are training the practical. And then omwana konyo kubeke rwali na ki block A ikwaringe theory, block B ugasoa industry.
Yeah.
So accumulatively, by the way, bunateba. By the end of the training, omwana oyo gatotenya oringe 3 years, 1.5 years ya bwa industry training yeri egusaba. So na very closer to what is required.
Yeah. Asing enjoy biro madam tokurigire kero wate umubarori goro wa bana aborokiwa. Ntobwate bono aborokiwa buna abaiga emyake yega bare okonyora abange nigo barabasae. Mpare bagutumika marioko yogotindi mbare bare ase chisabu chimbe mbare basori ase chimbu chitari kogokya njira kimo kunyara ko maintain gose kwene kina abana baiga mbabwate chitabi chikiranete gose mwana uri narwete sobo tachitu gonchoreria abo mwana mobe
biyamono omo rigereria ngote na Kisii National Polytechnic for example ntobwata very vibrant guidance and counseling department. Ego bring on board abantu kuruga gusimo bo na mukonyora abantu abange kubarangirito every now and again baje gukwanira mangana mental health issues bakwana mangana drugs and then tubwata matukabo toko babekera ntubwata cultural week yabo week yengi matari no gotenga gwoka bagotenga tubwata very good educative programs chigo konyo omwana. And then kurugeita ali ntubwate security ngo check gubare and we keep talking omwana olero no moko lakini manya we really try our best to handle abana aba 15,000 by ensuring na bare kept busy omate togote bana idle mind is the devil's workshop omwana oya ichabere class anyore drama nero aguchi go practice aonjo kanyore go se CU bari CU mbaroro matera na aroro baonjo kibanyore next week ne research conference the other week in cultural week were occupied. So we next year sports in Chiro. So I think we try to keep them so busy in the system so that they don't get a lot of idle time. And we also try cover good examples so that young man are positive. Bad examples we can pinpoint a good number to our serious drugs slowly bagire ko babantu abaya because of the environment tokoba, and we accept them.
Mbuya mono ukurigira mangana a religion nkira nyaru kwandira igoro yeskuru yeno ugasasima
mbuya mono eskuru ya itubuna incho manyene ninde metro ni kanisa Kurukukisi National Polytechnic SDA, a very vibrant group murigere no ene mitandao na moko Kipsida Church and many choirs intobwate CU intobwate Catholic very active ekotoka no ene TV all the time. Religion intoyebegete motu sengencho, we all know that without God toko nyara ko manage school wenganiga na kimoro cho morembo berreto singe toko invite nyasa every time nko twara tore ndwate spiritual leaders in the school go organize tore spiritual activities every now and again, and we encourage them. Even no ene katoko admission we set standards. Every morning I lead a prayer session na gusoma ebuku totarange even admission bono mwana gocho mogeni umate tayari already culture ye skuru naki eyene skuru ekobegete nyasaye mutwe na tutabegete nyasaye mutu we cannot succeed and we thank God for the 5 years brought us.
Mbia mono sana Robert Temwa gotewa points well taken, TVET all the way gotatete vetinse mukiako ruhero agotewo yo. John from Kisii ask for me, I want to be a TVET trainer. I hold a BSc Computer and Electronic Systems. Can I specialize in electrical or computer? Kindly tell them to advise.
Okay, like that one, we can advise him to come and do a diploma in electrical and electronics. And because he already has a degree, is easily going to be employable by public service. No into abanyene na bako ngeroro umateka ko abira good trainee. We sometimes take on board abantu babeire baitegere ari ku on board basis advert gegokoru. We give them priority because they are with us. Yes.
Mbia mono sana kero tugendete kurigiriria usaba ikabagendete gotonyora ihondaga ni ukwanire into kyo mweri igoro ye institution eno esingencho yebiro asitagike yamo tonyare gokora
ngote byo mwancho murigereri una mbuya mona asingencho mwatu support ria so gotorigereri na gotoa abana na ande toko endra gusaba nyasaba siseni na into ato echinguru torenda abana abamogotoa, and we are looking forward to getting more students egere to touch lives toko nyenseye ebe a better place to live in.
Egendo teba inyori ukwanira rigoriria masomo school yo
rigoriria masomo ndiri expensive efisi omwaka omugima buno mwana agosoa paka ko omwaka omugima ere 67,189 ine kibasi kibekire na serikali school ne ya serikali nturkwebekire fees ekine kibasi omuyibori akoro nande nabago kinyora gwetera apply help loan echindanyo sponsorship ye serikali nyora karo muibori omotaka CDF nero ororo nkorwere chibesa so naboko changa korwa onyore buna omweri pichibeso korusio mubuko ne chinke aso mwako mugima 67,189 chikosi chonse cutting across
mbia mona sana
biama
tokera na semester Danvas nki kware otebia omorigereria kyo mwerigira tugukora.
Santa sogo twari bageriga ukwana na barigereria ba Getembe na toko bateinga, if you are looking for an institution for TVET education, look no further. Kisii National Polytechnic is currently among the best national polytechnics in the country. So there is no need yo mwana agende Nyeri, there is no need yo mwana aende Kisumu aitani Kisii eregaiga. Igo tunawaomba mtulete watoto all the courses, we mentor them in all aspects of life bache gotowenera matukari mutu. Asante.
Mbe mona sana mware kunyara goshia contacts echaino na boy gonjira kimuranyare ko toka nonyase gwetera social media platforms nchira kinonye website asonsi alimo gotoka buna ke
Beyonce timaiti tongere the official email address yes school for inquiry info@kisiepoly.ac.ke kogokora gagu ntobwate brochwe yenta tukogotigeraga nebwate contacts chia customer care office and even we have a complaints line we will share with you so that you share no more rigereria egeranyari gotwikira
chinse mwauna jicha Facebook ase murato
Facebook
kebwango
tobwate Facebook page ya Kisii National Polytechnic
website
ne website nerorere very active kisipoly.ac.ke na omogotonyora
mbia mono sana asinginjo
kotebe morigereria admission is ongoing all the time na butenda to admit boniga bagosoa May so anytime ngakichinde chonse na omonto agocha admitted amanye nga May no gosoe kirasi rioka na RPL pia ntogenderete anytime you come we admit you tobatebinga ndio okora assessment ne fito takwana ya recognition of prior learning eronerense because inturi gokoira class ere sarasini kioka lakini to rigererie sarasini injora aba admitted toko guide from there ngana kioko genderera no ne sarasini echina kioko chinyora
Can I just do an additional small one?
Yes.
For example, the advantages of doing early admission in age. Ekere portal ya help weko iguru tayari ayo gwate pake admission number o gwa apply buna Kenya ya twara abana abange omuntu bago bagachibesa according to first come first served. So early admission better for you. So our major admissions for all courses are in May and September. But you can always do your admission early. Otware bitse eriruberia omapema omunyoke CDF okora application by the time mwana agosoe school chibesa chiaye chitanganete sengencho account yo mwana ne admission number iritokomo tonya gochandike birengereri
mbia mono sana umwancho morigereria asi okugendera kobera ime ya Getembe television ane ngo bakira mbia mono ande kirogende mwarigani weiga irinde tunyare kusanga nabo igogosegeta chikosie chiga cha maboko anene mono kurwasi eskuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic abo nigo obare abateneneri gose abaorokia ase eskuru yo ekero moncho murigere togendete gosegeta abana base ase TVET institutions irio obanyare wekonya na boigo kwenyo kumanya chinjira cyo kwerika emiremo kwarengene nche Matilda Baiba kero twabeire nere omo register weskuru yo Madam Frida Nyakerario na boigo nere lecturer Mr. Danvas Osogo boika achinga kichinde gosekarit koriangia se murobere buno yega twara oburigererio bya na boigo bonse bali bane ke murobere iga onyare goikirana na barabo na bairanire mbuya mono bye bye
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura bakikuya mandegere